What's in your fridge, Joe?
Well, there's some Coke and Dr. Pepper and milk and V8
Yummy.
and ranch and olive oil and ranch.
What is the favorite thing, your favorite thing in your fridge?
Look at this strawberry, it's a monster.
Dude, I love strawberries.
I like strawberries too.
You should eat that thing. Right now.
No,
Why not?
because I'm gonna eat it later when I'm hungry.
Oh, right, my bad. Alright.
Apple juice and mayo and ketchup and cream and stuff. Yeah.
What's in your freezer?
There's some tater tots and sausage links and some weird looking stuff and some frozen peaches
Doesn't that look good?
and some corn and some ice and some waffles and a hot pocket thing and some chocolate ice cream and some mini pizza thing and a frozen raspberry thing and then some burgers and big pretzels that are good. Yeah.
Thanks for sharing.